Hello. Today I'm going to be showing you how to embed a Google Sheet for the purpose of collecting class data, which accompanies a Project Lead the Way activity or project. And this is through the Enhancing Curriculum Through Technology series. The learning outcomes for today's lesson is to be able to create a Google Sheet to accompany a Project Lead the Way project or activity, and then of course to be able to embed that Google Sheet that you just created in an announcement on the Project Lead the Way LMS in order to collect class data and to give students access to that data. The first thing that you'll need to be able to do is to create the Google Sheet. And you'll need access to Google Drive. If you do not have a Google Drive account, in the additional resources of this presentation, I have attached a link that can show you how to get access to one. When you do get access, or if you have access, what you'll want to do is click on this new button. That will populate a list of things that you can create, and you're going to want to click on Google Sheets. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to be using Activity 331 from the Project Lead the Way PBS curriculum. So I'm going to rename this sheet 331 Class Data. And now I'm going to access that actual activity. And here it is, 331, How is DNA passed through generations? At the bottom, at the very last step of this activity, it actually will have the students create or record their data on a class data table on the board. I will actually change these instructions to have students do it online. And the first thing that I'm going to do is highlight this information here, and I'm just going to right click and copy it. And now I'm going to go to the Google Sheet that I just created, and I'm going to paste it. That'll populate that information here on this Google Sheet. And then the next thing that you should notice is that it's not really cleaned up or presentable, and it could easily confuse students because the words are jumbled. And that is something that we could easily change. If you highlight this information here, click on the button here called Wrap Text, you'll notice that it will clean up the data for you. And then here, I'm going to center it. And then based on however it is that you want to collect the data, in box A1 or cell A1, you could type group, student name, however it is that for that specific project that you have students broken up. I usually bold it and add some color so that way the students know that these are the headings of the data table that they're going to be entering information on. Now I need to attach this link and give access to it to the students to the LMS. And the first thing that you need to do there is click on this share button, and as you can see it says private only to me, and we need to change that. When you click on the share button, it'll pop up this window. Then you need to click on get shareable link. That'll populate a link here, and you need to make sure that it says, instead of with the link can view, that it needs to say with the link can edit, and that will allow the students to edit that information on that sheet. Now I'm going to copy this link, I'm going to exit out, go to the announcement that I created on the LMS. I'm going to highlight the activity that I want to attach this link to and click on the paperclip button, which will allow me to paste that link in here. And now I can save this announcement, and it is now live for my students to view. And just to test it, I always click on the link to make sure that it brings it to where I want them to go, and that the students are able to actually insert data. And as you can see, I'm putting in data, and the student should be able to get access to it as well. This allows you to just enhance the curriculum through technology, give students access and the ability to improve their technical skills with various online data management tools, which Google Sheets is an excellent form of. And it gives them a way to create graphs and data tables that they can share with others, and use the snazzy up presentations or reports that they may be doing for you, or that they'll be doing in post-secondary opportunities or in their career. If you have any questions, please feel free to hit me up on the LMS. My name is Michael Seidman, or you could email me at mseidman@ofr5.com. Attached to this PowerPoint are links that can get you started with Google Drive. If you're feeling advanced with this stuff, you can check out this link, which will take you to Google Hangouts and how to use that to enhance the classroom. And then, of course, utilizing the webcams for those pesky conclusion questions. Thank you for watching.